Welcome back. The concluding meetings and final hectic rounds for state budget draft are on. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar held budgetary meeting with BJP MLAs at Assembly Complex on Friday. CM discussed various schemes and head-wise budgets with the concerned ministers. He also discussed budgetary provisions with the MLAs for the infrastructural development in various constituencies. Parrikar will present the budget on Monday.
On the first day of the budget session, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who is also Finance Minister, will present Budget 2013-2014. To give final touch to the financial document, Chief Minister held meeting with all the ministers and party MLAs. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar discussed the schemes related to health, RDA and Panchayat.
आरोग्य विषयक एखादी योजना जी आसा ती फुडें गेली. मागीर RDA त्यामुळे RDAच्या नावार एक योजना आसा. पंचायतीची तशीच आसा योजना. एक 2-3 योजना हांवें घाल्यात भितर जे सादारणपणे सर्वसामान्य लोकांक उपयुक्त जातल्यो आनी लॉंग रनाक उपयुक्त जातल्यो अशा स्वरूपाच्या तीनय खात्याच्यो हांवें एक योजना घाल्या.
Parrikar did not disclose any details.
कितें डिस्कशन केला म्हणजे आयच्याच आसता न्ही रे मिटींग. पूण आयच्याच स्पेशल कितें बजेट न्ही ते सांगता येना. ओके बजेट सगळें टोटल बजेटाचेर डिस्कशन आहे.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Sushant Par.
Gaonkars of Bambuli have opposed the alleged illegal construction coming up opposite to GMC Hospital. Gaonkars say the builders construct structures during the night hours without any permissions from the authorities. They say it is a violation of Supreme Court directives. Apex Court has ordered action against illegal religious structures along the highway. On Friday, the locals uncovered the structure. The Gaonkars have strongly opposed the illegal construction at Bambuli. They say the builders do not have permissions from the Panchayat.
मामलादारान एका तलाटीक धाडली सांगपाक तांकां बंद कर म्हणून. तें बंद कर तेणी तरी आसून काम चालू दवरलें आनी मागीर आमचो लोक सगळो एकठांय जालो. आतां फुडलो स्टेप तुमचो कितें आसतलो? फुडलो स्टेप आमकां आतां आमी गव्हर्मेंटान पळोवन घेवचें इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन जालां पळय तें. कोमलीदाद आमी कोंकणीदादचे सगळे लोक एकठांय आमी हांवूय गांवकार पूण आमकां आमच्या ह्या प्लॉटान तेणी आमचें परमिशन आसतना बांदलें आनी आमच्या फुडसाक लागून लुगार तेणी सोडूंक ना मात तरी.
They also said that the builders have violated the Supreme Court directives, which directs not to construct any religious structures along the highway as it obstructs traffic and commuters.
We have already sent them a legal notice. Panchayat has also sent them stop order notice. In spite of that, this morning they were doing the illegal construction. So that's when all our people gathered and we stopped them.
Video journalist Omkar Fallari and Chetan Gawas for Prudent. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar released the draft Goa football policy with an aim of boosting Goan football. The policy is based on talent, coaching, infrastructure, competition and revenue aspects of football. Parrikar was the chief guest at the inaugural ceremony of Goa International Football Table on Friday.
Here as well. We'd like to have him here as well. Yeah, he's right. That's the launch for Goan football as well as for Indian football as well.
The GFDC, with the help of Transmedia, its knowledge partners, has made a sincere attempt to draft what is called the Goa Football Policy 2013, resting on 5 important pillars, that is talent scouting, coaching, competitions, infrastructure and revenue.
My humble appeal to all those associated and who have achieved their career goals through football and made it in life in whatever capacity, be it as player, coach, administrator, referee, sports medicine physio, doctor, to join us and help us give back something to the game through helping these aspiring youngsters to not just draw inspiration from the idols but emulate them as well. Our dream is to make football not only ours but their religion, to make it an addiction that will make them to the top of the sport. With this appeal, I welcome one and all to GIFT 2013 to not just deliberate and interact, but to throw light and lead us out of the dark tunnel to take Goa and Indian football to greater heights.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.